Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how you can use your power button as a Google Assistant. So let's start the video friends and know about it if we can or not. So firstly you have to open your settings. So as you can see, at first when I press the power button, it only performs the shutdown button or restart. There is no any way to open the Google Assistant. So let's try if we can. So firstly you have to scroll down your settings, click on advanced settings, and there are lots of things are here. Let's click on side button. If you have enabled the quick launch button, so if you just double press your power button, it will directly open the camera. So then you have to click on open application and click on settings. So friends, there are lots of applications are here. In now I have not installed any Google Assistant. So firstly you have to do one thing: open your Play Store, download Google Assistant. If you don't have in your tablet, enable it, tap the application, and whenever you want to activate the Google Assistant, you can press the power button twice and it will enable the Google Assistant. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. Thanks for watching.